What's the meaning of cave-in? Cave-in. Cave-in.
Cave-in. Cave-in. The term cave-in refers to a sudden collapse or failure of a structure, such as a mine or building. This can occur as a result of various factors, including geological instability, structural weakness, or human error. The result of a cave-in can be disastrous, causing injuries or fatalities, as well as significant financial and environmental damage. In addition to physical harm, the psychological impact of a cave-in can be profound, leading to trauma and long-term mental health issues for survivors and bystanders alike.